In the heart of Pakistan, a quiet revolution is unfolding. Women are breaking barriers, rewriting their stories, and turning dreams into thriving realities. FBLT has been the catalyst. By bridging gender and financial gaps, it has ignited a movement of resilience. Empowering women-led micro-enterprises in home-based industry to flourish like never before. With women's labor force participation in Pakistan below 25%, the FBLT project is transforming how women micro-entrepreneurs thrive in the bustling cities of Lahore and Karachi. Running from June 2022 to March 2025, this initiative empowered 500 women-led enterprises with business skills, financial literacy, and access to tailored loans. Driven by JICA in collaboration with HomeNet Pakistan, HBL Microfinance Bank, and Pakistan Microfinance Network, FBLT has bridged critical gaps, unlocked opportunities, and challenged barriers.
At JICA, empowering women is key to sustainable development. FBLT aligns with our mission by tackling the barriers women micro-entrepreneurs face, from financial access to business skills.
At HomeNet Pakistan, we are working with women home-based workers who are own-account self-employed women micro-entrepreneurs. Through targeted training and mentorship, we equip them with skills to increase their businesses.
This initiative is underpinned by extensive research conducted to identify gaps through a gender-focused lens, with FBLT projects serving as another significant step towards this journey.
Microfinance became a lifeline for these women, enabling them to secure raw materials critical to sustaining their businesses amid unprecedented inflation. The impact speaks for itself. By combining access to funds with knowledge, we are empowering women, strengthening businesses, and building thriving communities.
FBLT के ज़रिए मैंने माली ख़वानदगी और कारोबारी तरबियत हासिल की, जो कि मेरे ख्वाबों को हकीकत बनाने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी थी। HBL माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक के ज़रिए मैंने अपने कंप्यूटर सेंटर को चलाने के लिए वसाइल हासिल किए, ताकि लैपटॉप लिए जा सके और लोड शेडिंग की वजह से हमारी कंप्यूटर क्लासेस मुतासिर ना हो।
डिजिटल तरबियत और एक स्मार्टफोन की मदद से मैंने अपने कारोबार को ऑनलाइन मुंतकिल किया, नए कस्टमर्स तक रसाई हासिल की और अपनी सलाहियतों को साबित किया।
The impact is clear. 95% gained business plan knowledge, 83% transition to digitization, and 74% formalized contracts. The result go beyond numbers. 63% increased household incomes, while 37% now employ staff, creating a ripple effect across communities. As women's income grow, they are investing in their children's education, enhancing their homes, and uplifting entire communities.
एक मसीह खातून होने के नाते और रस्मी तालीम के बगैर मैंने अपने बच्चों का बेहतर मुस्तकबिल बनाने के लिए एक छोटा सा सिलाई सेंटर का कारोबार शुरू किया। FBLT ने मुझे वो महारतें और एतमाद दिया जिनकी बदौलत मैंने बड़े ख्वाब देखने शुरू किए। उनकी हमायत से मेरी आमदनी 3 गुना बढ़ी और मेरा कारोबार कामयाबी की राह पर गामज़न हो गया।
बतौर ट्रांसजेंडर मुझे अपने ख़ानदान और माशरे की तरफ से मनफी रद्द-ए-अमल का सामना करना पड़ा, लेकिन मैंने हार नहीं मानी। FBLT प्रोजेक्ट के तहत HBL माइक्रो फाइनेंस बैंक की तरफ से मैंने कपड़े के कारोबार, जिसका नाम खाला कपड़े वाली है, को बढ़ाया। तरबियत ने मुझे मसनूआत की कीमत लगाने, इन्वेंटरी का इंतज़ाम करने और ग्राहकों से तल्लुकात बढ़ाने का सलीका सिखाया।
Nearly 65% of beneficiaries reported a significant increase in their client base. Additionally, formalized businesses have surged by 83%, with many women now confidently managing detailed financial records. These results underscore the transformative power of FBLT in equipping women to meet market demands and sustain long-term business growth.
Representing 45 microfinance providers, PMN developed a woman micro-enterprise definition and their profile, initiated regulatory dialogue for recognition, and began exclusive WME data collection to guide industry strategies.
This data, published in the Microfinance Industry Review and Pakistan Microfinance Landscape Report, will help stakeholders design tailored financial products and scale support for women micro-entrepreneurs.
आज मैं अपनी कम्युनिटी की दूसरी ख़वातीन को माली आज़ादी हासिल करने के लिए महारतें सिखाकर उन्हें बाख्तियार बना रही हूँ।
आज मैं माहाना 70 से 80 हज़ार रुपया कमाती हूँ और अपने ख़ानदान के साथ दोबारा जुड़ चुकी हूँ।
आज मेरे इदारे में 20 से ज़्यादा लोग काम कर रहे हैं और मैं अपनी कम्युनिटी की ख़वातीन की माली खुद मुख्तारी हासिल करने के लिए मौक़े फराहम करती हूँ।
FBLT stands out as a transformative initiative. It has enabled 68% of WMEs to secure 17.66 million rupees in microfinance, spurred a 37% leap in employment, and driven a 94% growth in digital connectivity. With 83% formalizing their businesses, 94% mastering financial records, and 83% adopting digitization.
FBLT is more than a project. It's a model of transformation, proving that inclusive strategies unlock women potential and drive sustainable growth.
We aim to use insights from this project to make meaningful policy recommendations that support financial inclusion and economic growth of home-based women workers.
FBLT is more than a success. It's a blueprint to drive inclusive growth and systemic change.
These empowered women are not just changing their own lives, they are inspiring others to dream bigger and build brighter futures. Banks, regulators, and policymakers now have a clear pathway to unlock this untapped potential and drive inclusive prosperity.